Hey all, before I get into the video, just note that this is part of my full cleaning tutorial video, so I'll put a link to that at the end, so go and check it out after this. Right, hope you find this helpful. So the next step now is I've opened the door. I've got to clean the seal and the door. Now you're going to see that I've neglected mine. Oh, I wish I'd cleaned this more often. But anyway, the official advice is to go for 1 part bleach and 3 parts water. You can also use white vinegar. So I've got a cup there, basically exactly that combination, but just of white vinegar. So go whichever you've got. If you do any stronger than that, you risk degrading the rubber and it wearing down quite quickly. So definitely want to do that. Now I've got myself a quick cloth here. You really want a spray bottle if you can get one, but I haven't got one to hand, so I'm just going to dab it in. You know, think about what you use. I was going to use a plastic scourer, but I'm worried that might also break the rubber. So I'm going to go for it quite soft and leave it for a while, and let's see if I can get it to work. So I'm just going to dip this in here. Oh, try not to get it too wet. Maybe I should just put that in there. And let's get in here. Now, hopefully you can't see this because it's kind of bad. I'll just get that in there. Now, all kinds of stuff coming out. I'll pause as I do, but I'm going to go right the way around and then leave it for 15 minutes. Okay, so you get the idea. Use a spray if you can, but otherwise just go for the cloth. Okay, so I've done the inside of the seal there and given a good clean. I've also cleaned the inside of the door, which does get quite sticky. Just as a point to note, if you want to prevent the black mold build up in your washing machine seal, there's a couple of things I've seen, and I've got a dedicated video, but one of the best things is to actually make sure you run it on a dry cycle every so often, because that actually, with this machine, the steam technology, really does clean out that mold. I've noticed that comes out absolutely dry. And the other one is, if you're not using the dry cycle often, maybe in summer, is to actually then just make sure you open the door as soon as you finish washing, and those two should reduce the black mold, if not prevent it entirely. Okay, on to the next. Let's leave this for 15, and next step.